Maricosta Mustang Football is brought to you by Western Federal Credit Union.
So on 4th and 8, the Panthers will punt. Of course, the Mustangs lead this contest 44-8. Here in the 4th and final quarter, Mustangs of Maricosta in the green and gold. As we see Weaver back to return that punt. Calls the fair catch. Mustangs will take over 1st and 10. Looks like there was a penalty on the play. And in fact there was, and it is against the Mustangs. We'll march them back to the 15-yard line. Falcone on the handoff. Mustangs get about 6 on the carry. So it's going to bring up a 2nd down and 4. Ball spotted at the 21-yard line. Man in motion. Mustangs on the ground again. This time it's number 6, Giovanni. He's trying to fight his way forward and almost gets to the line of scrimmage. May have got there depending on the spot. Looks like they're going to give him pretty generous forward progress. Just shy, though, of the 1st down by about a yard. So it's 3rd and 1, and the Mustangs keep this one on the ground. It's a keeper, and that will be plenty good enough for the 1st down. They get almost 5 yards on the carry. Good job, Falcone. Great job by the offensive line blocking in front of him. So it's 1st and 10 now, Mustangs. And in motion for Falcone. It's a handoff. This time it's number 3, Tajee Mobley, getting some work again out there. Tajee already with the touchdown and numerous good carries for the Mustangs, including that one there. Another good carry for Tajee Mobley, looking sharp at the tailback position for the Mustangs tonight. She's getting the bulk of the second half work here now. And this time it is Giovanni, and this time he takes his time pulling his way forward all the way down. Another Mustangs 1st down. Great job again by Giovanni, who has himself a touchdown this contest. All the Mustang running backs getting some nice gains out there. This time it's their fullback, with a big-time carry. That's number 39, Ryan Timmons. With a big hole himself, straight up the middle on the option play. 1st and 10 Mustangs, I formation. Falcone on the handoff. This time it's number 30 for the Mustangs, who is forced out of bounds after another good carry. Another 1st down for the Mustangs as well. Falcone in shotgun, under center in I formation, and it's again a handoff to the fullback. So it's going to bring up 2nd down and goal from the 7. And this time looks like the ball may have been dropped. Falcone on the handoff attempt. What was these Mustangs did recover though, so it'll be 3rd down now for the Mustangs. I formation. Expect the Mustangs to keep this one on the ground again. In fact, they do, and stopped at the 2-yard line. So it'll be 4th and goal from the 2.
Maricosta Mustang Football is brought to you by Slanted Sky Productions. Get your custom college recruiting videos now.